Today's session is on emergency management. So one of the key things that healthcare organizations are often called upon to do is to manage in an emergency. So many corporations, organizations have to think about contingency planning. They have to think about what happens if there's a disaster, how can they recover. And that is something hospitals and other healthcare organizations have to think about as well. They have to think about how they will recover in the event of a major issue, such as a fire or an earthquake or a tornado or other business disruption. So business continuity planning is one component of emergency management. But today what I really want to speak about, or what we're going to focus on, is how you actually respond to an emergency situation. And I'll speak specifically of a hospital, but hospitals find themselves in a circumstance where if there's a mass casualty event, be it a large motor vehicle accident with a bus, multi-casualty event, a tornado or earthquake, then the hospital has to respond. And what the key learning in this lesson that I would like to review and have you look at in terms of the articles is what's emerged as a common framework for how we manage these kind of issues in both the United States and in Canada, and it's known as the Incident Management System. IMS, Incident Management System, arose out of a fire service. And it is now used in virtually, as far as I know, every American and Canadian fire department uses this system for each and every call. It's also used in Ontario by Emergency Management Ontario as the way that the province manages events of significance. It's the way that our emergency management system operates, and many police services use it as well. It's also used in Ontario hospitals quite universally. So what is IMS? Well, it's basically a structured method of implementing command and control in a standardized way when a serious incident arises. I'm not going to go through all of the details of it in this quick chat. I'd leave that to your readings and to your and to review the PowerPoint that has been provided. I'd also encourage you to listen to some online recordings of how IMS is implemented in the fire service as a proxy, if you will. In the slides, there's an example of how you would implement IMS in a hospital context, and look forward to some further discussion online as to how IMS actually works. There's also some excellent PowerPoint or iTube videos on IMS that will be provided. Hopefully that will help, and until next time.